Ne, tam ne, kámo, tady jsme, vole. Tam by se zabil, vole. To ne. Takže dívej, tady by se to vole. Netoč to.
Jednou dítě, jak to asi pochopíš. To bude, jestli máš, tak asi není úplně o čem, no. Takže tak to prostě je. Insta Live.
Insta Live.
With a fucking triceratops, reptar, rapping as I'm mocking deaf rock stars, wearing synthetic wigs made of anwars, dreadlocks, bedrock, harder than a motherfucking Flintstone, making crack rocks out of pussy nigga fish bones. This nigga Jasper tryna get grown, about 5'7" of his bitches in my bedroom. Swallow the cinnamon, I'ma scribble this shit and shit while Sid is telling me that she's been getting intimate with men. Sid, shut the fuck up. Here's the number to my therapist. You tell him all your problems, he's fucking awesome with listening.
Tohle mi trvalo 3 dny to dát na to video.
Tak se sejdeme i v pátek a v sobotu to dáš?
To je vyjednávač, píčo. Backkick. To jsem nedal nikdy, ale dneska bude takový štěstí, že to dám do videa. Tak já nevím. A ještě...
Fuck the fame and all the hype, G. I just wanna know if my father would ever like me. But I don't give a fuck, so he's probably just like me. A motherfucking goblin. Fuck everything, man. That's what my conscience said. Then it bunny hopped off my shoulder. Now my conscience dead. Now the only guidance that I had is splattered on cement. Actions speak louder than words. Let me try this shit. Dead.